Hi everyone, today I will show you a simple hack to use your Steam client for remotely controlling your other computers, without any cost involved. Sometimes we requires remote control software like Teamviewer or Anydesk, which are proprietary software application for remote control, desktop sharing, online meetings, web conferencing and file transfer between computers. This softwares usually cost a lot, as you can see over here. It would be nice if we can do the same without spending single penny. Recently I had some experience of playing games with friend on Steam using its remote play feature. Now, what if rather than playing games or using any application, we can use it to control the remote PC? There is a simple hack for it. You just need to install and log in Steam client on your remote computer. If it's not physically accessible to you, then you can use free version of Anydesk. Beware, Anydesk is quite slow in comparison with Teamviewer, and Teamviewer usually tends to cancel your personal license. After login, simply add notepad.x in your Steam library. It is located at C drive in Windows System 32 folder. Thereafter, go to notepad.x in your Steam game library, click Stream. A Notepad application will open on your remote computer. You cannot use Alt+Tab to switch your application. For that, use F1 on Windows. It will minimize your remote application. Thereafter you can use it to remotely control your PC. Now, if you want to do the reverse, just add notepad.x in your current system. It will add two copies of the application, one with stream option and one with local option. When you have physical access to your remote computer, you can use the local option in this PC from it to access your current system. That's it, enjoy.